If divisive, inflammatory, racist words could kill the coronavirus, then the President of the United States would be heading to Stockholm right now to pick up his Nobel Prize in Medicine.
Maybe if he gave a damn. Maybe if the President of the United States were not ignoring and coming up with new ways to reportedly get you to live with a pandemic.
How close are we to being on the brink of catastrophe down here?
I'd say we're pretty close. What's striking to me is that we always assume the best, or at least what we hear from our political leaders is the rosiest scenario, where we really should be planning for the worst and thinking much more critically about where we are and how we stave this off.
This is a dire public health crisis, and we don't have that recognition, unfortunately, coming out of Washington. And I'm not really certain where the White House Coronavirus Task Force thinks this is going to go. What's going to turn this around? It's not going to disappear by itself, clearly.
It may be the most sobering morning after the 4th of July in America's history as we wake up to the fourth day in a row of more than 50,000 new reported cases of COVID-19. They're on the rise now in 40 of 50 states.
Florida, South Carolina, and Texas among the states notching new daily records, with almost 35 states seeing a rise in coronavirus cases. Texas adding 8,000 new infections on Saturday, and Florida recording a stunning 11,458 cases in a single day.
We're right back where we were at the peak of the epidemic during the New York outbreak. The difference now is that we really had one epicenter of spread when New York was going through its hardship. Now we really have four major epicenters of spread: Los Angeles, cities in Texas, cities in Florida, and Arizona. And Florida looks to be in the worst shape, and Georgia's heating up as well, and that's concerning.
We are still knee-deep in the first wave of this, and I would say this would not be considered a wave. It was a surge or a resurgence of infections.
Do you think that there should be a national mask requirement?
I do, Andrea. It's become almost not even debatable.
They refuse to cite the most important data on Earth, which is the reduction in death rates. That is the important thing. But you can't talk about the fact that that's plummeting. And then let's not forget the travel ban, right? Which many in the media, Juan, said that was stupid and said that it was racist, but that probably did a large part in preventing a lot of death. So the media and those who politicize this need to be ignored.